Have you ever wished you could speak English confidently, anytime and anywhere? Maybe you've thought, I'm too shy, or I only speak English at school or work. The truth is, learning to speak English shouldn't be limited to certain places or times. You can practice, improve, and even have real conversations wherever you are. And today, I'm going to show you how. Let's start with the idea that English is not just a subject, it's a skill. And like any skill, it grows when you use it regularly. The problem is, many learners wait for the perfect situation, a class, a native speaker, or a quiet room to practice. But there's no perfect time. You can start right now, wherever you are. Imagine waiting in line at the grocery store. You could use that moment to think in English. Describe the items in your cart, or silently narrate your actions, like, I'm picking up some apples, then I'll get bread. These little exercises may seem small, but over time, they add up. Another great tip is to talk to yourself. I know it sounds funny, but it works. When you're cooking, cleaning, or even walking outside, try to describe your actions or thoughts in English. Say things like, I'm making tea, I need a spoon, I'll add some sugar. Not only does this help your vocabulary, but it also builds confidence in forming sentences naturally. And the best part? Nobody is judging you, so you can practice freely. Listening is equally important. You can listen to English anywhere, on your commute, during your lunch break, or while exercising. Podcasts, music, audiobooks, or even YouTube videos in English are perfect. But here's the secret. Don't just listen passively. Try shadowing, which means repeating what you hear out loud, imitating the pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. This trains your mouth and brain to produce English naturally, just like native speakers. Another way to practice anytime is through real-life conversations. If you're at a coffee shop, restaurant, or even on public transport, challenge yourself to greet people in English or ask simple questions. It could be as small as, "Excuse me, what time is it?" Or, "Can you tell me the way to the station?" Small interactions like these make a huge difference over time. They teach you to speak spontaneously, without overthinking or translating in your head. Technology makes it even easier. You can use language apps to chat with other learners or even AI tools to practice conversation at any hour. Social media is also helpful. Follow English content creators, join online groups, and comment in English. The goal is to create as many moments as possible where you think, listen, and speak in English no matter where you are. Let me share a personal story. When I first started learning English, I was very shy. I thought I could only practice at home in front of a mirror or in a classroom. But then I realized I could speak English while waiting at the bus stop, walking in the park, or ordering coffee. I started narrating my day out loud in English. It felt awkward at first, but gradually my confidence grew. People weren't staring, and I began forming sentences naturally without hesitation. That little shift changed the way I learned English forever. Another tip is to use your imagination. Pretend you're in an English-speaking country, or imagine a conversation with a friend in English. What would you say? How would you ask for help or give directions? By creating these mental dialogues, you train your brain to respond in English naturally, even in unexpected situations. The key is consistency and courage. Speaking English anytime and anywhere requires a mindset shift. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make use of the time and space around you. Speak, think, and listen in English as often as possible. It's not about being perfect, it's about being brave and practicing regularly. Remember, every sentence you speak, even if it's just to yourself, is a step forward. Every question you ask, every phrase you repeat, and every story you tell in English builds fluency, confidence, and comfort. Speaking English anytime and anywhere is not just a goal, it's a lifestyle. So start today. Narrate your actions, chat with yourself, shadow audio, ask simple questions, or even imagine conversations. Turn every small moment into an English practice opportunity. Over time, you'll notice a huge difference, and speaking English will become second nature no matter where you are. Thank you for joining me today on the English Hour. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to speak English confidently anytime, anywhere. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember that every small effort counts. I'll see you in the next episode with more practical tips to improve your English and speak naturally in every situation.